transform cans of wild pink salmon into these beautiful salmon stuffed mushrooms. Start by brushing off any extra dirt from your white mushrooms and then gently wiggling off the stem out of the mushroom cap and placing them on a prepared baking tray. For the filling, whisk together the softened cream cheese and the sour cream, then add in the fresh lemon juice, whisk until smooth, and then add in some Old Bay seasoning and some freshly chopped dill. Once you whisk everything until smooth once again, add in the drained cans of salmon into the cream cheese mixture, and also add in the grated cheese. Use a rubber spatula to fold all the ingredients together, and with a spoon, start filling all of the mushroom caps. You want to make sure to fill them as much as possible, even leaving a little mound on top of them. Place the stuffed mushrooms on your tray, and then sprinkle panko crumbs on top, and drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. Bake in your preheated oven until golden brown and serve with fresh dill. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.